a dog?
Rosie has already gone through 3 stressful occasions. She's had to move, play, and now there's a dog. Oh.
Look at it. Look how tiny he is.
So cute. Come here, Mozart. Mozart.
No, we chose Rune.
No, we're not naming him Rune.
What about
No, we're not naming him Rune.
We're not naming him Mozart.
We're not naming him Rune.
Okay,
no,
let's not.
Лен, пожалуйста, выключи видео. Лен, выключи видео, пожалуйста.
Do you want to meet the puppy?
Пилюша, подожди.
Hold on. We have to let Pili.
О, Пилюша.
Oh, your breath is so gross.
He was from a barn. Oh, wait, yeah. Let me meet Pili.
Mila, no shouting, no laughing. Okay. That's okay, Пилюша.
Want me to rub your tummy?
Okay, Mama, where's the toys and stuff?
He's following you. You're like the new master.
Oh, he still really wants to meet Tilly. Really. Huh?
Mama,
Hmm?
can you grab the puppy stuff?
It's in the car.
We're not naming him Rune.
Deciding a name, okay?
Wait, what did you want?
Rune or Einstein.
No, good.
What's wrong with Einstein? You look like Einstein. And of all his curly hair.
Einstein's okay.
He's only 2 months old though.
Small.
He's gonna be massive when he grows
Спать?
older.
Не знаю.
Oh, how big is it supposed to be? Oh my god. Okay.
His parents are pretty big. Piled, you want to meet the little puppy? Mama, can you go grab the? Mama, can you go grab the doggy stuff?
Okay, I will.
We chose the skull collar and leash.
No, why?